Hello, welcome to Survival ABCs. I'm camping out again. Pretty close to the highway. We're on private property. Yes, we have permission to be here. I got my little tarp tent out again. I made some modifications to it to make it better from last time. I also got my Grand Trunk hammock here with me for relaxation in camp. So let's give you a little tour of it. I haven't set my bed up yet, so there's my sleeping bag and bivvy, my ground mat, and then I got the sheet. That's my kni-co trekker stove. Got a nice wood pile going. Like before, this is a 9x12 tarp, 9 feet going down, and you got your 6 feet up, 6 feet down across. This time around I was able to get 10 stakes into the ground. Had to hammer them a bit. There's another tent right over there, surrounded by tents actually. Let's get you around to the back so you can get a good look at the mods that I made. Yeah, I'm chopping wood back here. I got my wildlife hatchet right there. Grant's first brook. My work gloves. I was right in the middle of chopping wood. The kids wandered off, so I managed to get some quiet time here to shoot the video. As you can see, well, here's my stove jack that I made. The exhaust. So, as I said before, I added grommet holes going all the way down. So now this is far more secured by comparison to what it was before. And this little access, I was going to bury in snow, but it was covered in snow, but the snow is all melting now. It's warmed up quite a bit. So I've been sitting right there and chopping wood right there. Sorry about the shakiness of the camera. So again, like before, I got this little opening here. Now I can slip some firewood in. So there's my huge pile of firewood. There's my wood burning stove. I'm gonna find some duct tape because I gotta fix a small little hole there, from last time that I didn't do. So there's the main fire area. We got some other tents there around here. There's a hammock over there. I fixed this just a little while ago. It's sagging quite a bit, but I need to fix it again. All this has got to be moved out some more to stop the sagging. The other side's a lot better by comparison. I just fixed it a short time ago. I can hear the kids are starting to come back, so I'm going to have to speed this up a little bit. This side here, I didn't get a tarp to close it off. I decided just to go with the E-blanket again. This is the SOL emergency blanket, the heavy-duty tarp. Got it tied off to the tree here, just some little half hitches. So here's my backpack, Fox Tactical, my sled, my shovel, some food in there, pots. So here's my overall setup I'm going to be camping out in this weekend. So I'll be camping out this weekend in this, tonight and tomorrow night. Although tomorrow night I might switch over to the hammock instead. Put a tarp over it and put everything into there, my sleeping bag and whatnot, and camp in that. But I'm not fully decided yet. So this is my camp out for tonight. I can see the kids are starting to come back, so I'm gonna have to cut the video short, I think. But yeah, this is my do-it-yourself tarp tent. Got my wood stove inside, so hopefully it'll be just as warm, if not warmer, than last time, now that I made the new modifications. My Grand Trunk hammock here. I was sleeping in this earlier just for a half-hour long nap. It's from Grand Trunk. So, anyways, this is my tarp tent, so I'll see you guys around till next time.